Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable guest checkout on Shopify. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser that you prefer using and then log into your Shopify admin. Once you've done that, what you need to do is head into your settings right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and head into checkout and accounts right over here. Finally, once you've done that, scroll to customer accounts down over here, and once you've simply found that, you can simply go ahead and customers, and on this checkout page you can simply go ahead and under account experience select either accounts are optional or customers can log in or check out as guests, or customer can check out without an account. This explicitly allows guest checkouts. So require customers to log in before checkout is unchecked, and that is it. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.